Hello, this is Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. Today we're going to be doing a what you call a projector here. This would be a starry projector light. So we're going to be doing an unboxing on this guy here. So let's jump into it. I'm going to go ahead and here pull the tab, open the top. We got a little quick manual here, and we've got a power cord that is a mini USB to USB here. And we also have a little remote control to control it. Otherwise, here is the little laser guy here, packaged in a nice bag. Take it out of the bag. This is our actual projector light here. On this, there's a bunch of different features. It does have a few things built in. It is a Bluetooth speaker. Besides just shooting light out the top, that's what that remote is for. It also has a regular USB port on here, so you can plug in your phone to charge it, as well as pull music from it. And then you got your power here for your micro USB, if you guys can see it. And then you got a couple of buttons here: a play, a pause, volume up and down. You got a brightness knob here to adjust the brightness. And then you got speaker, a little handle on this side, and the bottom is open speaker-wise. So as it just sits here. It does have the receiver for the remote is there on top, and then the ball which is going to shoot the light out. And then you got your remote here with some stuff. You got a power button to turn on the music portion. We got a power button to turn on the LED laser light. Then you got a volume up and down. You have a skip and rewind, a fade, some fading in and out, some built-in fades if you want to set it for an hour or two to stay on for so long and then automatically turn off. It does have that as well. Otherwise, it's pretty heavy-duty plastic. There will be a link in the description down below of this video to check it out and get some pictures and footage of it actually up and running. If you do use that link, that is an affiliate link, so we appreciate if you'd use that to purchase this item or anything else. That is what supports our channel, so we can keep bringing you more content. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.